What's up, buddies? SuperDudeMega here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. This is another Redstone tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a security system for your villager hall. So this is in case any raids happen and then the pillagers are trying to get to your villagers. You just simply flick a lever or a button or something, and then it will simply just block entry to your villagers, and that way the pillagers will not be able to shoot your villagers. It keeps your villagers safe. That's all I'm trying to say. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So we are here in this super flat world so that you can see what happens. Here's just an uncovered version. You can see that it works the same, and so pretty much what you're going to start with is you're going to want to have a small lowered, bed for, I'm going to show you how to do one module, and then you can copy this infinitely however long your villager trading hall is. You may just need to extend your signal, obviously. But so you can, you're going to start by placing a redstone torch like this, and this is going to connect to your piston area. And then you're going to put a redstone next to it and a repeater set to 2 ticks. Now you're going to put your first piston down like that. This will be so that you can push the other piston so that it will block the villagers. So we're going to leave that there. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to place a slab on top here so that it's not being powered by this, but we will be able to power it from here while also depowering the redstone torch. And we're just going to place a block right here so that we can continue the signal. And we're going to place a redstone torch up here. So this, which is going to be your floor level over here, you're going to place a regular piston on this block. And this way you can put your concrete powder or sand or gravel or whatever you want. Just make sure it's a falling block, so that way if you were to power this, you will be able to quickly do that, and you don't need to pull the block back. So it's not the most compact thing in the world, but yeah, it's kind of 2012 redstone, but it does get the job done. And then you can replicate this over like however many times you want, and you can replicate it to the amount that you saw in the first clip to protect however many villagers. And you can just place the input redstone along here, or if you want to get creative, you can bring it down under and then go that way. The input is up to you, but this is really just the redstone for one of the modules. Well, that was it. So I hope that helped anyone who was having trouble defending their villagers. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, please do leave a like, subscribe if you're new and you like my content, leave a comment, I reply to you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!